स्टूडेंट, आज इनकम टैक्स में यूनिट स्टार्ट होती है आपकी फोर्थ। और इससे पहले हमने इनकम फ्रॉम हाउस प्रॉपर्टी और इनकम फ्रॉम सैलरी के बारे में डिस्कस किया था। टैक्सेबल इनकम अंडर द हेड ऑफ बिजनेस एंड प्रोफेशन। फर्स्टली हम जानेंगे बिजनेस के बारे में। बिजनेस मीन्स परचेज एंड सेल और मैन्युफैक्चर ऑफ ए कमोडिटी with a view of to make profit. It include any trade, commerce or manufacture or any adventure or concern in the nature of trade, commerce or manufacture. It is not necessary that there should be a series of transaction in a business and that it should be carried on permanently. Next student, profession. Profession means the activities for earning livelihood which require the intellectual skill or manual skill. For example, the work of a lawyer, doctor, auditor, engineer and so on are in the nature of profession. The profession include vocation. Vocation means activities which are performed in order to earn a livelihood. For example, brokerage, insurance agency, music, dancing, etc. Student, vocation मैं बता चुका इसके बारे में। vocation means activities which are performed in order to earn a livelihood, जैसे brokerage, insurance agency, music, dancing. Next topic, computation of profit of business or profession. The profit and gains of business or profession are computed in accordance with the provision contained in section 30 to 43T. Rules for adjustment of profit and loss account prepared by the SSC. The profit and loss account prepared by the SSC is not correct from the income tax point of view. Several such expenses are charged to it which are wholly or partly inadmissible under the Income Tax Act. The following are the rules for adjustment of profit and loss account. Number 1, those expenses or losses which are charged to the profit and loss account but are not allowed under the Income Tax Act should be added to the profit as shown by the profit and loss account prepared by the SSC. Number 2, if any admissible expenses are omitted from the profit and loss account, they should be deducted from the above profit. 3, in some taxable incomes are omitted from the profit and loss account, they should be added to the above profit. The above rules can be illustrated with the help of following statement. देखिए, प्रॉफिट एज पर प्रॉफिट एंड लॉस अकाउंट, add expenses or losses disallowed but charged in profit and loss account. Incomes taxable business income but not credited to the profit and loss account. Number 3, expenses in excess of the allowed amount charged in profit and loss account. Under valuation of the closing stock or over valuation of opening stock. Less, first, expenses or losses allowed but not debited to profit and loss account. Second, Incomes not taxable as business income but credited to the profit and loss account. Number third, incomes exempt from the tax but credited in profit and loss account. 4. Overvaluation of closing stock and अंडरवैल्यूएशन ऑफ ओपनिंग स्टॉक, इन दोनों को इसको लेस कर देंगे और लेस करने के बाद टैक्सेबल इनकम फ्रॉम बिजनेस आएगा। सो नेक्स्ट टॉपिक आता है, देखिए डिडक्शंस एक्सप्रेसली अलाउड। While the computing profit of business or profession, the following deductions are expressly allowed by section 30 to 37. Number 1. Expenses in respect of business premises. जैसे कि rent paid for such premises if he has undertaken to bear the cost of repairs to the premises, the amount paid on account of such repairs. Next, repairs and insurance of machinery, plant and furniture. In respect of machinery, plant and furniture used for the purpose of the business or profession. Next, depreciation. इसका first, assets eligible for depreciation. Second, conditions for allowance of depreciation. Third, block of asset. Number 4, compulsory deduction for depreciation. Number 4, expenditure on scientific research. जैसे कि revenue expenditure incurred by the SSC himself, contribution made to outsiders, sums paid for social and statistical research, capital expenditure on scientific research incurred by the SSC himself. Next, number 5, expenditure on eligible project scheme. Means project scheme next student, expenditure on specified business, payment to rural development fund or expenditure on agriculture extension project. Next topic आता है student, expenses expressly disallowed. Disallowed of expenditure on advertisement in any souvenir etc. published by the political party. Any expenditure incurred by an SSC on advertisement in any brochure, tract, pamphlet etc. published by a political party shall not be allowed as a deduction in computing the profits and gains of business or profession. Number 2, Section 40 expressly provides that the following expenses shall not be deducted in the computing the profit and gains of business or profession. जैसे कैप लेटर ए में in case of any SSC, it means जिससे पेमेंट आउटसाइड इंडिया, second, payment to resident, third, tax on profit and gains, number 4, wealth tax, B, in case of any partnership firm, it means any payment of salary, bonus, commission or remuneration made by the firm to any partner of the firm who is not working partner shall not be allowed as a deduction. As a payment of salary, interest to partner will be allowed as a maximum rate of 12%. C, in case of association of person or body of individual, जैसे excessive payment, payment in cash, प्रोविजन ऑफ ग्रेचुटी और अदर एक्सपेंसेस। अदर एक्सपेंसेस जैसे कि ड्राइंग और पर्सनल एक्सपेंसेस ऑफ प्रोपराइटर और पार्टनर्स, एक्सपेंडिचर इनकर्ड टू बाई ऑफ competition, penalties paid by the SSC, expenditure on the shifting of registered office। स्टूडेंट अब तक बिजनेस और प्रोफेशन की इसकी थ्योरी की, अब इसी लेक्चर में देखिए इसका क्वेश्चन। मिस्टर एन प्रिपेयर्ड द फॉलोइंग प्रॉफिट एंड लॉस अकाउंट ऑफ हिज क्लोथ शॉप फॉर द ईयर ended 31st March 2020. Find out of his income for the business for the assessment year 2020 to 21. क्वेश्चन है ये, प्रॉफिट एंड लॉस अकाउंट फॉर द ईयर एंडेड 31st March 2019। Salaries and wages 33,000, rent 1,600, household expenses 82,000, income tax 900, advertisement 800, postage expenses 600, gifts to relatives 900, fire insurance premium 400, life insurance premium 2100, bad debt reserve 800 and audit fees 400। इसके बाद ग्रॉस प्रॉफिट 3,34,725 और गिफ्ट्स रिसीव्ड फ्रॉम रिलेटिव्स 275। इसका प्रॉफिट एंड लॉस, नेट प्रॉफिट आया, नेट प्रॉफिट ट्रांसफर टू कैपिटल अकाउंट 2,11,500। दोनों साइड का टोटल 3,35,000, 3,35,000 और 3,35,000। अब देखिए स्टूडेंट इसका सॉल्यूशन क्या करना है। इनकम फ्रॉम बिजनेस, तो कंप्यूटेशन ऑफ इनकम फ्रॉम बिजनेस फॉर द असेसमेंट ईयर 2020 to 21। नेट प्रॉफिट क्वेश्चन में दे रखा है, नेट प्रॉफिट 2,11,500, 2,11,500। ऐड आइटम्स ये हैं, आइटम्स डिसअलाउड जैसे कि हाउस होल्ड एक्सपेंसेस 82,000 दे रखे हैं क्वेश्चन में, इनकम टैक्स 900, लाइफ इंश्योरेंस प्रीमियम 2100 और बैड डेप्ट दे रखे हैं 800। बैड डेप्ट रिजर्व 800 और गिफ्ट्स टू रिलेटिव्स 900, इन सबको ऐड किया यानी 86,700। फिर नेट प्रॉफिट में ऐड किया इसको 2,98,200, लेस किया रिसीव्ड नॉट टैक्सेबल गिफ्ट फ्रॉम रिलेटिव्स, ये 275 रुपये के, घटाने के बाद 2,97,925, 2,97,925, यह है इनकम फ्रॉम बिजनेस। थैंक यू स्टूडेंट।